guys, it's Erin from the Slimeonade stand coming to you here for the first time, showing my face. I think there might be another video with my face, but this is like the first official video of me here on YouTube. I'm launching my new YouTube channel. I'm super excited. I'm sitting here in the Slimeonade stand lab. This is where I come up with all my slime ideas, where I film all my videos that you see on Instagram, and it's also the place where I am going to be recording a lot of my new tutorials and reviews. I'm really excited to get started. I feel like I'm doing a YouTube voice. Mash that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments down below. Notification squad! Sup, notification squad? I see you. I see you. What's up? Mash that subscribe button. Want to. Do it sound YouTube-y? All right, cool, hopefully so. Anyway, today I am going to leave you with a compilation of some of my favorite big batch videos from Instagram. And by big batch, I mean huge batches of slime. Huge batches of slime that I then film myself touching. That sounds weird. Huge batches of slime that I then play with. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. I hope it makes you feel relaxed. And if you like what you see here, stick around, guys, because it's only gonna get better. Subscribe to my channel if you would like. You can turn on post notifications, so when I do post those slime recipes, you can be the first to know. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this compilation of some of my favorite Instagram big batch videos, and I will see you soon right here on the Slimeonade stand. We launching, baby.